In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a product ID on Shopify. If you're a store owner or manager working with Shopify, knowing how to locate the product ID of an item in your store can be crucial, especially if you're looking to integrate with apps or need to connect your products to external services. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you're equipped with the knowledge you need. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify store's admin panel. If you haven't already, navigate over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your store, so you should be quite familiar with it. From the homepage, you will see various options, and among these is the Products tab, which you'll need to select next. Once you're in the Products section, you'll be greeted by a list of all items that are currently part of your shop's inventory. Here, you can manage your existing products, update inventory levels, or make changes to product details. But today, we're focusing on identifying a specific product ID. Browse through your product list and find the item for which you want to locate the ID. Click on the product name to open its details page. As the product details load up, direct your attention to the URL displayed at the top of your browser. This URL holds the key to your product ID. It's important to know that Shopify generates a unique ID for every product in your store, and this is how it's reflected in the system. Now here's the crucial part. The product ID is embedded within the URL at the top of your screen. Specifically, it's the string of numbers you see toward the end of the URL link. These numbers represent the unique identifier that Shopify assigns to each of your products. For example, if your URL looks something like https:/admin shopify.com store your store products 77146547811521. Here 77146547811521 is your product ID. Make sure to jot it down or save it somewhere handy if you need to reference it later. And that's it, you've successfully located the product ID for an item in your Shopify store. This step is fundamental when handling integrations or when making advanced customizations to your store. Knowing this little trick can save you time and help make your Shopify management more efficient. Remember, if you're unfamiliar with other aspects of the Shopify dashboard, spend some more time exploring to get comfortable. Feel free to reach out or visit Shopify's help center if you encounter any bumps along the way. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully this has simplified your Shopify experience just a bit more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials that make managing your online store easier. See you in the next video.